Yes, hello boys and girls, how are you today? I hope everything is well and you could take some profits in the recent past, trading this market or any other market. You are making progress, developing your trading approach and trading style. So this will be a very short week because of Thanksgiving, which is a nice event celebrated all over the world, and we should also participate in such nice events, family events, and then we can bring the good things back in our life. This will be a short week and also a little bit of a negative week, not too much, but still negative. It seems to be not much volume in this week. You will see that here, and I'm entering positions rather randomly, I would say. Here, for example, this is the first day, it's very sideways market, second day, about to open now. It's not a bad entry point, for example, here. Of course, we want to trade the breakout. We have to anticipate this breakout here. But the market seems to be not giving us our full profit potential here, but still our entry was quite nice, 94.50s. So now we should be reversing our position normally at this point. I don't know why I'm not doing this. We could be taking profits here at 98 already from this reversal trade. Well, it seems to be that my execution is still lacking behind. I have made too few changes and they put me off quite significantly. That's what I was saying last week as well. I'm doing all in one chunk now and try to make it as quick as possible because it seems to be quite a difficult period. But overall the approach is still the same. But these adjustments made it rather difficult to sustain profits here. So we have to see if we go forward, if we can come back on a positive track, and if not, I have to reverse again to my old traditional approach, which I think personally is not as good as the new one, but the new one seems to be rather challenging in the execution for me, giving me very, very difficult and negative days here. For example, this is here a very sideways market. Not much happening. We should be, or we could be looking at trading this breakout here. But I think we had because we closed right on the trend line, so normally we should be having a small reversal back into range, and now we can look at the volume, what will happen to the volume, and then we can make another trade. Yeah, I think we should be trading short at this point, but it's very unpredictable and it's very sideways, you know. That's very hard to trade. For example, again, false signal now, so no entry here. We should exit all our trades because we have very small bars. That is normally no trend, so very insignificant. We should be very careful entering such market. Alright, I think that's it because it was a very short week. Nothing very special. Yet again, a small $600 negative result. This is something which I can't influence much. We will work on this approach and hopefully we can get back on track. I would say we are overall break even, but still with some downward momentum. So hopefully we can bring it back, and then we should be ready to go again. All right. Thanks for watching. I wish you a happy trading week. This should be the 27th trading week already. Take care. Bye-bye.